Little Red Riding Hood's mother hands her a basket. Remember, stay on the path and don't talk to strangers. Little Red Riding Hood walks along the path, humming happily. What a lovely day for a walk! Little Red Riding Hood meets the wolf, who smiles slyly. Where are you heading, little girl? Little Red Riding Hood looks curious but answers politely. To my grandmother's house, just down the path. The wolf approaches the house, looking sneaky. Perfect, now to set my trap. The wolf, dressed as the grandmother, lies in bed. She'll never suspect a thing. Little Red Riding Hood enters looking puzzled. Grandmother, what big eyes you have! The wolf grins, showing sharp teeth and replies, the better to see you with, my dear. The hunter bursts in, weapon ready, and commands, stop right there, wolf. The hunter ties up the wolf, while Little Red Riding Hood and her grandmother hug. And Little Red Riding Hood, thank you, hunter, you saved us. Little Red Riding Hood, her grandmother, and the hunter stand together, smiling as the grandmother, remember, always be cautious. Little Red Riding Hood returns home, hugging her mother. I learned my lesson, Mom.